Hello guys and welcome to Laravel 7 tutorials. So guys, in this video we are going to discuss about how can we define custom errors in Laravel and how to get error just below the related input field. Okay, so let's do that. I will move to git bash and let's run our project. That's it. Okay, let's refresh. Okay, now move to create post and let's submit. Basically, in this case, I want post title field related array. I want to print it right here just below the input field. Okay, so let's do this first. I will move to create post blade right here. Okay, and basically we have all the errors right here in the global $errors variable. So how are we going to get the post title array? It is simple. We are going to define a condition on $errors and we are going to check if it has a key with the name of this input field right here, post title. Okay, and if it has it, let's print it in the small attribute, and I will apply a class text minus danger, simple as that, and let's print our error if there is any errors. First, basically we are going to apply the first condition. I want only the first error related to this key. That's it. Okay, so here we are checking in our errors global variable and we are checking for if it has post title field key. If it has it, we are going to get the first error. That's it. Okay guys, let's just check it. Submit. And you can see we have our error right here. Okay, now let's do that for description as well. You can try it on your own. Just pause the video and try it. Basically what you are going to do is you are going to pass the name of the text area field right here, post description. Let's do this quickly. Okay, I will just copy the name from right here. Basically the ID and the names are same. Sorry guys, name is right here, but in this case name and IDs are same. We are only going to get the related error with the help of name attribute. Okay guys, just remember that. And let's do that and let's align it, refresh, submit, and you can see we have our errors right here. So let's just remove it. If you want to keep it, you can. Basically maybe you require it later or somewhere else in your project. I'm going to remove it. Okay, now is the time to create a custom error. Basically you can see the post title field is required, the post description field is required. Looks a bit awkward, so let's just change our errors right here and let's define custom. And for that we are going to move to basically post controller, and this validate method basically accept array and an associative array basically with the field and the value. In this case for validation, the field name and the required rules of validation right here. And if you want to put your custom errors, basically if you want custom error for all any of the specific, you can say any of the specific field, what you can do is you can pass second array right here. Basically this is also going to be an associative array. What you have to do basically in this case, let's say I want custom error for post title and I want custom error on specific rule, in this case required, this one right here. Okay, and I want the value, basically this is the key now, and I want the value to be the title field is required, simple as that. Okay, you can see the error, the post title, and now we have defined a custom error. Let's just refresh, submit, and you can see we have our custom error right here. And if you basically if you are not defining any sort of custom error for any specific field, what you are going to get is basically you are going to get the default error. In this case let me put a single character so that we can get this minimum required rule, basically minimum rule validation, and you can see we are going to get a default error right here. You can see we have a default error right here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to define a custom right here as well, put a comma. I will just copy it and let's paste it quickly, and let's just print a rule. And for minimum condition I want another error, basically any other custom error, and for max I want any other custom error. Let's change it. The title must be at least 3 characters. Okay, that's it. Let's just put custom error for max as well. The title may not be greater than 191 characters. That's it, simple as that. Okay guys, and we have defined our custom errors for the post title and not for the description yet. Let's just refresh, and you can see we have our custom error right here and the default error right here. I will change the condition. Basically I am hitting the minimum rule right here, this one. Let's just submit, and you can see the title must be at least 3 characters. Now let's change the description error to our custom error. I will just copy it. Okay, and I will paste it right here. That's it. Okay, and now I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to select all these 3, basically in this case 1, 2, 3, and I want to replace them with post description. And also I want to remove the title and place the description right here. Simple as that. And let's just sorry guys, and I want description, basically. That's it. Okay, now we have a custom error for description as well. You can see right here. Okay, now for the next video, in the next video we are going to basically print all the posts on a specific page. So I'm going to create that specific page in this video. So let's just start, and I want you to basically write with me and have this page that I'm going to define right now. Let's create another page, new file, and let's just name it all post.blade.php. That's it. Let's just copy everything from here to here, and let's just remove form because we don't need form here. And let's just rename it a bit with, let's say, all post. Okay, and let's just say post. Okay, now let's make a route quickly, web.php, and let's just define a route get and all post, and let's say we want to hit this post method which I'm going to create right now, post controller right here. Let's move and create a method, public function posts. That's it. Let's return a view for now, return view, and layout dot all post right here. Okay, so let's check it out, and let's hit it, all post right here, and we have our all post page right here. Okay, so let's just basically I have just copied a simple card so that in the next video we can print our post right here in the card format. So I just want you to write it. Basically it is very simple. Just pause the video and copy this from right here. Okay, just copy it. I think you have done this now. Okay, I will move and refresh, and we have our post page. So in the next video we are going to print all the posts, and we will see for edit and delete as well. Okay, so I hope you guys like the video. If you liked it, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you, take care.